Ardent Progressive School welcome you all in this video. In this video I am going to start exercise 4.3 from question number 9 onwards, that is 9th, 10th and 11th question. Okay, so what is 9th question? See, very interesting question, just do it. And most of the time you have seen that this question comes. Okay, two water taps together fill a tank in 9 whole 3/8 hours. So this is a tank. One water tap, the smaller one, and the second water tap, this is the larger diameter one. ठीक है, दो water tap हैं. The water is coming from these two. ठीक है, so this is the tank. So together if they opens, they fill a tank in 9 whole 3/8 hours. And if the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hour less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. अगर ये 10 hour less लेता है, मान लो कि smaller one x hour लेता है, तो larger one कितना लेगा? 10 hour less, कम लेगा time, so it is taking 10 hour less. So they are saying if the larger diameter tank take the 10 hours less than the smaller diameter tank to fill the tank separately, अगर अलग अलग खुले हों तो ये इतना टाइम लेते हैं. Find the time in which each can fill the tank and separate tank fill the tank. So find the time taken in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, तो अलग अलग वो कितने टाइम में fill करेंगे. So we have to find x r. What is x and what is x minus alone if they will fill, तो in how much time they will fill. तो simply है कि अगर ये this one tap is filling in x r, अगर ये x r, अगर ये alone it is opening, so अगर x r में ये one tank पूरा fill कर देता है तो 1 hour में कितना करेगा. Okay, same way अगर ये x minus 10 hour में alone it is open, it is filling in x minus 10 hours, so how much it will fill in 1 hour. ठीक है, same way. So I am taking if the smaller diameter tank or for the smaller diameter tank. Okay, for smaller diameter tap. Okay, in XR tap fills the tank equals to 1. 1 is whole tank itself. So therefore in 1 hour tap fill the tank, you write the statement here 1/x part. ठीक है, तो इतना पार्टी फिल हो जाएगा. अगर ये अकेले खुला होगा तो 1/x पार्टी फिल करेगा इन 1 hour. सेम वे फॉर लार्जर डायमीटर टैंक, टैप इन x minus 10 hours, tap fill the tank. दिया हुआ है ये XR 10 में फुल टैंक फिल करता है, तो ये 1 टैंक फिल करता है. So therefore in 1 hour, तो 1 hour में the tap will fill the tank is equals to 1/x minus 10th part. ठीक है, तो ये XR 1 hour में 1/x part fill करेगा, ये 1 hour में इतना part fill करेगा. One more thing, this total time is given to you. Okay, both the tank if open together they fill the tank in 9 whole 3/8 hours. So I am writing for both the tank. Okay, for both the tank in 9 whole 3/8 hours. ठीक है, 9 whole 3/8 hours, just simplify it. It is 8 9 is 72, 72 73 74 75 or 75/8 hours. In 75/8 hours both tap fills how much tank? 1 tank. So therefore in 1 hour, ठीक है, both tap fills 1/75/8. So it will go up इतना part. ठीक है, so I have just taken out in 1 hour what how much tank it will fill, in 1 hour how much tank it will fill, and in 1 hour if the both will open together how much tank they will fill. Okay, so 1 hour 1/x part it will fill, in 1 hour 1 upon x minus 10th part it will fill, and both the tank if open together, so ये जो total time है तो in 1 hour तो इसका 1 upon this much, तो 8 upon 75 part ये fill कर देगा। अब simply what is the common sense comes, अगर दोनों टैंक एक साथ खुले हुए तो 1 आवर में जितना ये भरेगा प्लस 1 आवर में जितना ये मिलेगा, तो 1 आवर में दोनों मिलके उतना ही तो भरेंगे। इसका मतलब टैंक फिल इन 1 आवर बाय स्मॉलर टैप, स्मॉलर डायमीटर टैप, प्लस larger diameter tap in 1 hour is equals to tap filled in 1 hour by both the tap, यही तो होगा। So I am writing, look at here, I am writing, just see, so I am writing now, see, tank filled in 1 hour by smaller diameter tap प्लस 1 आवर में ये जो बनेगा प्लस लार्जर डायमीटर टैप should be equals to both the tap, okay, both the tap। इसका मतलब कि 1 आवर में ये दिस इज इन 1 आवर, 1 आवर में ये जो भरेगा 1 आवर में इतना जो भरेगा, और बोथ द टैप 1 आवर में इतना भरेगा, ऑल आर इक्वल, यही तो होगा। कुछ ये भरेगा 1 आवर में, कुछ ये भरेगा, तो किसके बराबर हो जाएगा, जब दोनों ओपन होंगे 1 आवर में उतना भरेगा, तो बोथ आर इक्वल। सो जस्ट कीप द वैल्यू 1 अपॉन एक्स पार्ट प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 10 पार्ट ये भर रहा है इक्वल्स टू बोथ द टैप 8 अपॉन 75। सॉल्व इट, x into x minus 10, you will get x minus 10 plus x is equals to 8 upon 75. So what it cross multiply, and we are solving now, solve it. So now what we'll get, see, 2x minus 10 into 75 cross multiply, okay, so equals to 8x into x minus 10. Now solve more, 75 twos are 150x minus 750 equals to 8x square minus 80x. Bring them one side, 8x square minus 80x minus 150x minus plus 750 equals to 0. Solve it, you will get 8x square minus 0, 8 x plus 750 equals to 0. I can divide it by 4, 2 4s are 8 minus x plus 375 equals to 0. So the final equation I get 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equals to 0. Now I have to solve this equation by splitting method or by completing the square or by quadratic formula. I am just seeing that the numbers are too big, so I want it, I can just solve it by quadratic formula, okay. So I am solving the equation by quadratic formula, okay. Let us solve this. So very first write what is a here. A is 4, B is minus 115 and C is 375. What is quadratic formula? X is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, so I am writing x is equals to minus b is 115 plus minus root of b square minus 115 is square minus 4 into a into c 375 whole divided by 2 into a. So x is equals to 115 plus हो गया plus minus 115 square. If you do the square of 115, you will get 13225. Okay, 13225 minus 4 for the 16. 16 into 375. If you do, you will get 6000. 6000 divided by 8. Now solve this. X is equals to 115 plus minus root of this. Subtract it and you will get 7225 whole divided by 8. Okay, so now 7225 square root you have to find. So how you will find the square root of this? See, last is 25. 25 means 5. Then 72. 8 8s are 64. 72 are saying 9 9s are 81. 81 is greater than 6. 8 8s are 64 होता है, is less than. So 85 into 85 if we do, so directly we will get 77225. So this is the square root of 85. So 115 plus minus 85 upon 8. Once we take plus and once we will take minus. So x is equals to 115 plus 85 upon 8 and once minus upon 8. Solve them. So this I'll solve. 5 5 10 0 carry over 1. So that means 0 8 9 10 का 0 carry over 1 200 upon 8 comma. If this I'll solve, so 30 upon 8. So this is coming in fraction. ठीक है. So this is the time is coming in fraction, but this I can solve. So this upon 8. 8 2s are 16. 4 is left. 8 5s are 40. So 25. So therefore x is equals to 25. Time should not be in fraction. Okay. So x is 25. Now let's do the next. Now from here you got x is equals to 25 hours. Okay. Because it cannot be in fraction. So what is x? Therefore time taken by smaller diameter tank. Smaller diameter tap is 25 hours and time taken by larger diameter tap will be, what was there, x minus 10. So 25 minus 10 is 15 hours. ठीक है. So that means the smaller diameter tap will fill it in 25 hours and the larger diameter tap will fill in 15 hours. ठीक है. So this is your question number 9. I think this is clear to you. If again you want to see, repeat the video, again do it. It's very easy. Okay. So for 1 hour we have to find it. Just man and woman one we were finding for 1 day. Same way this one, tap one, we have to find for 1 hour. And this thing you have to keep it in mind. Okay. So I'm starting now 10th question. So let us start 10th. So beta, question number 10 is, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. There are two trains. ठीक है. एक ट्रेन जो है वो है एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन. ठीक है. एंड दूसरी है पैसेंजर ट्रेन. ठीक है. So one is express train and one is passenger train. So what they are saying, an express train तो ज़्यादा तेज चलेगी, पैसेंजर ट्रेन थोड़ी धीरे चलती है. ओके. So the express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. तो इसका टाइम है 1 hour less than the passenger train. अगर टी टाइम पर चलती है तो ये 1 घंटा पहले पहुंच जाती है. ठीक है. To travel 132 किलोमीटर. To travel 132 किलोमीटर. दोनों एक ही जगह जाते हैं. 132 किलोमीटर. Both are running in the same route. Between Mysore and Bangalore. So they are running between Mysore and Bangalore. Okay. Both are running between Mysore and Bangalore. So now, without taking into consideration the time they stop at immediate station. So that means time we don't have to consider. We have to directly see this. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer more than that of passenger train. अगर express train की speed जो है वो क्या होगी? Passenger train से ज़्यादा है. So let the speed of passenger train is x. Now what they are saying, if the average speed of express train is 11 km per hour more than, तो इससे 11 km per hour ज़्यादा है. ठीक है. Of express train, find the average speed of both the train. दोनों train की average speed हमें find करनी है. तो हमें x भी find करना है and x plus 11 भी find करना है. Okay. So writing method, very first what you will write. I'm not writing that much, but you will write. I'm telling you what you will write. Let the speed of the average speed of the passenger train is x and the average speed of express train is x plus 11. Okay, just I'm telling you, you have to do it. Let the average speed of passenger train is x and the average speed of express train is x plus 11. Distance traveled by both the train are same 132. Time taken by passenger train is t and time taken by express train is t minus 1. Now after that I am writing for express train. Okay, what is time taken? Time is equals to distance upon speed. Now here the time is 1 hour less. Distance 132 upon speed x plus 11. From here I am just finding t. 132 upon x plus 11 and plus 1. This is equation number 1. For passenger train, I told you statement, you will write yourself the starting statement. For passenger train, what is time taken? Distance upon speed. This is okay. So equation number 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, both left hand side are equal, so right hand side will also be equal. 132x equals to 132 upon x plus 11 plus 1. So this I am bringing this side. So what I will get? 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equals to 1. Now we have to solve it and we will get the result x and x plus 11. So let us solve this. So what we are getting? Solve it. Take x plus x into x plus 11 LCM. So what we are getting? 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x equals to 1. Take 132 common from the numerator. So what you will get? X plus 11 minus x. Okay, whole divided. This I am sending this side. X into x plus 11. Okay, solve it. 132 cancel out into 11 equals to x square plus 11 x. Okay, this I am multiplying and I am sending this side. So x square plus 11x, it will become minus 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 and 1, 4. Okay, equals to 0. By 11 we can multiply it like this. 1 and 2 will write at the last. 2 plus 3, 5. Then 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So now we have to just split in such a way so we will get 11. So what we'll do? We are getting 33 into 44. Okay. So 33 or 44 x minus 33x minus 1452 equals to 0. 40 solve it. 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 3 1. We have multiplied these two, we will get this. So x common. So x plus 44 and minus common, 33 common, we will get x plus 44 equals to 0. So x minus 33 and x plus 44 equals to 0. Okay. So now we will solve it. What we will get? When x minus 33 equals to 0. So when x minus 33 equals to 0, we will get x is equals to 33, and when x plus 44 equals to 0, we will get x is equals to minus 44. So what is this? Speed of the train. Kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. As the speed of the train cannot be negative, we will write as the speed of the train cannot be negative. So and the upside I am writing, let us see. Therefore, the speed of train is equals to 33 km per hour and speed of express train. Okay, this also we have to find. Speed of express train is x plus 11. So 33 plus 11 we will do. So what it will get? 44 kilometer per hour. So we got the speed of both the train. Okay, so this question is over. I hope you understand this. Revise the question. If you have any confusion, and see it again. Okay, so I am doing the last question of this exercise now. Let us do. Now beta 11th question is sum of areas of two square is 468 meters square. So sum of areas of two square is okay 468 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो दो स्क्वायर हमारे पास, इनका एरिया का जो सम है वो 468 मीटर स्क्वायर है. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट वन प्लस एरिया ऑफ सेकेंड स्क्वायर इज 468. एरिया कितना होता है? अगर इसकी साइड हम एक्स एज्यूम कर दें तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस इसका एरिया भी वी विल नॉट नो. साइड स्क्वायर आई एम राइटिंग साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 468. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आई एम राइटिंग. ओके, सो नाउ आफ्टर दिस, और आई कैन राइट इट, अगर इसको y एज्यूम कर ले राइट नाउ, सो वी कैन डू y स्क्वायर. ओके, so now what the next is given to you. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, difference of their perimeter, and इसकी 4 into side minus 4 into side, difference of their perimeter is 24. Find the side of the squares. तो दोनों squares की side निकालनी है. Okay, so how will get, इसको देखो. So from here I am finding the value of x. 4x is equals to 24 plus 4y, or you can find the value of y. जैसे हमने 4y की assume कर ली. 4y is equals to 4x minus, इसको इधर करो, इसको इधर, 4x minus 24. Okay, so 4 you send this side, y is equals to 4x minus 24 upon 4. So divided, y is equals to x minus 4 6 is 24, x minus 6. Substitute the value of y in equation number 1. Okay, substituting value of y in equation 1. What is x square plus x minus 6 whole square. y square है तो x minus 6 whole square is 468. So x square a square plus b square minus 2ab, इसको इधर ले आओ, minus 468 equals to 0. 2x square minus 12x minus 2 3 432 equals to 0. Divided by 2, so we'll get x square minus 6x minus 216 equals to 0. This is the equation I got from this. Okay, so area दिया हुआ है तो let the side x and y का एग्ज्यूम कर लेते हैं. x square plus y square is 468. सेकेंड पेरीमीटर का जो डिफरेंस है 24 है, तो पेरीमीटर इज 4 into साइड. ये कर लिया. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वन वेरिएबल फ्रॉम हियर, सब्स्टिट्यूट इन सेकंड, तो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू इन सेम वेरिएबल. ओके, सो द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आई गॉट x square minus 6x minus 216 equals to c. Okay, let us solve this quadratic equation. So now by splitting method, if we will do 216, so what we'll get? Minus 18x plus 12x. 18 12s are 216 and 18 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 216 equals to 0. Take x common, you will get x minus 18 plus 12 common, you will get x minus 18 equals to 0. So x minus 18 and x plus 12 equals to 0. When x minus 18 equals to 0, you will get x is equals to 18, and when x minus 12 equals to 0, so you will get plus 12 equals to 0, x is equals to minus 12. As the side cannot be negative, we will write as side cannot be negative, so therefore x is equals to 18. ये तो हो गई the first side. And what we did in the second one, y की value we have substituted from the previous one. What was the value of y we have find it? we got y is equals to x minus 6, I think. Okay, x minus 6 we got this in the previous lines. We got this. So therefore y is equals to 18 minus 6. So that means 12. So that means therefore sides of two squares are 18 unit and 12 unit. Okay, so if centimeter is there, you will write centimeter. If centimeter is not there, you will write unit. Okay, so this is your question number 11, and the last question was there. So our 4.3 exercise is completed. We will meet in the next 4.4 exercise. Now till then, please like and share the video, and most important, comment and practice. Okay, so without practice nothing is possible. Practice all these questions properly till here. Till then, keep watching the video, and bye bye.